Hey, welcome. My name is Chris Hammond. I'm from Lake Toronto Marine and eHobie Career Center. And what I want to show you today is a very common problem on Volvo Penta engines, or any engine that has a water-cooled fuel pump. You hear this thing right here, it's squealing. And your first inkling is that the fuel pump is bad. Well, we see lots and lots of fuel pumps that get replaced that don't need replaced because they haven't verified water flow. You can hear it's getting worse. And we see these with trim codes and everything else. And this fuel pump is very, very expensive. And what we've done here is we've blocked the water flow for the water pump, the fuel pump. I'll take this bolt out. And see, it's still barely coming out because there's a restriction in here. But it's a little bit better because there's a little bit of flow. If this video you can feel the heat, I can feel the heat in this pump. But it needs to be putting out way more than this. When I rev this up, it can shoot out. And that's no good. So we got to figure out why this is restricted. So we're going to take it apart and see what's going on. We'll be back. All right, we're back now, and we cleaned out all these pieces out of this raw water pump. So the impeller had failed, and all these pieces got stuck in this line, in this closed loop system. So we got it all cleaned out. You notice there's no fuel pump noise whatsoever. It's quiet as a mouse. And our flow at idle is very, very good. Normally this would go into the tailpipe here, the riser. I'm going to rev this up. See that the flow is awesome now. This is very, very important. Before you put fuel pumps on or diagnose any fuel system concerns that you believe the fuel pump is the cause, you should 100% verify the flow of water through the fuel pump. I highly recommend a clear hose because let's say this tailpipe that's not installed this application because it's out of the boat, because it's a training engine here at eHobie, I could have a restriction in there. So always use a clear hose to verify you've got flow. The question is, can it overpower that?
Is that pushing it out more than this is taking it?
Exactly.
Right.
How about that fucker? It should be shooting out of there.
Well, let me take that apart.
After cleaning the impellers, still got some out of there, which is good. But it's got to be more than what's coming out of the riser. Go ahead and rev it up. Oh yeah. Okie dokie. Let her idle.